Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I received 2 boxes in my mailbox, so I think it would be nice to make an unboxing of what I received. So I ordered on Notino Bal d'Afrique and Rose of No Man's Land because there was good promotion sales ongoing. And okay, let's start. Just to be precise, I didn't blind bought these fragrances. I already tried them in the shop before, and I think this is really important. I will talk to you a little bit more about this because I already bought this one, Rose of No Man's Land Unvinted, and it turned out to be a fake fragrance, so I was really sad. Because yes, of course, I bought the fragrance for nothing. Hopefully it was not for a great price, but still, I lost my money. And yes, I was quite upset because the packaging was really nice and it was really hard to spot that it was a fake fragrance. We'll talk about it a bit more in another video. I think I will dedicate a video to this subject. So, like how to spot a fake fragrance, what you have to check when you buy online, and have many examples for you. So I think it's a good idea. But for today, let's start with let's jump to the unboxing. So we'll start with Rose of No Man's Land because, as it turned out, that I got a fake fragrance. This is the one I'm the most excited to get at last. So we'll start with this one. Okay. So this is the first time I'm doing an unboxing on the camera. So maybe I can give you, yes. So both are 50 ml bottles. Maybe I can let you see the code because it can be useful if you have to buy it online one day and just to be sure that this is a real fragrance. So then you have the barcode, the reference and everything. And there is also always these stickers also on the side. So I can't really see what I'm doing because I have my nose in the camera. Yes, so these two are my favorites, from the one that I tried. But I also tried the Mojave Ghost and what was the other one? Gypsy Water was okay, but yes, I really did prefer Mojave Ghost. And 1996 also was really nice. Slow Dance was a good one. Pulp was okay. They have good fragrance. I was not disappointed. Like maybe it's not my taste, but there are none that I tried that I could say they are not good, not well blended or anything like that. Okay, let's see the fragrance. Nice small bottle. Yes, I'm buying the 50 ml because I have so many fragrances. Of course, that it's hard for me to finish a 100 ml bottle. You always have this nice small paper, Byredo. And yes, and the fragrance. My yes, okay, sorry, I succeeded at last. So here's the bottle, really cute, rounded. I will spray it on paper. Okay, let's see. Beautiful rose, tender pink rose. A bit sweet, a bit fruity, a bit peppery, I would say also. Like pink pepper, you know, in the opening. You know, it's not groundbreaking, but still it's a beautiful rose. It's one that I really enjoy when I try it. And sometimes I think that the most beautiful perfumes, the most beautiful fragrances that I really enjoy are not the most complicated ones, you know. Sometimes simplicity is also really good. And this one is really simple, but really my kind of rose, really my kind of fragrance. You know, like, you should know that I'm fond of Dior Rose Kabuki. And this one is also a really simple rose, but the quality is overwhelming, I would say. This is really, the quality is so good. And this one is also good quality. I wouldn't say that the rose is as good as the one from Dior, but still it's a really good rose. Bit fruity and peppery. Let's see what are the notes listed for this one. Top notes, pink pepper, yes, of course. Turkish red rose. Middle notes, Turkey red rose again. Raspberry bloom, okay. This is this fruity, sweet side. Base notes are papyrus. Papyrus, I don't know what it smells like. And amber. Okay, amber, definitely. I don't really smell the amber here. Maybe in the dry down. We should wait for the dry down to get that. Definitely have to try it on skin. Okay, let's jump to the other one. Yep. So, I hope I will be better with the opening of the next one, Bal d'Afrique. So this one I tried, and I remember I really liked it also. It was quite unique. I never smelled something similar. Oh, I'm doing crap. Sorry. Okay, without the paper, it's better. Okay. Next, okay, let's slide the box. Hop. I'm really sorry for my really dry hands. It's because of the chlor apparently in the water. Since the beginning of this virus thing, apparently they put more chlor in the water, and that's why we have all these dry hands and dry face. Okay. So if you have issues with your skin lately, if you live in France, maybe that's why. Okay, so here's the fragrance. Okay, maybe I will have to remove it outside of the camera also. Oh, I'm really sorry, that's my first unboxing, but it's it won't be the best one. Okay, so let's remove the box also. Here's the bottle, really cute also. Oh, and I didn't show you the barcode, the batch code, and all these kind of things. It can be interesting if you're buying online, just to check that this is a real fragrance and not a fake one. Up. Up. Okay, so Bal d'Afrique. I will spray it. The only thing that I remember for this one is that it was quite peculiar, quite unusual, but I really liked it. It was quite unique, and I remember it has some notes of vetiver. This is the only thing I remember. Okay, I will spray it also outside of the camera. Yes, also really nice. The notes are less easy to spot for me. I smell something citrusy in the opening. Maybe lemon bergamot. Yes, bergamot. Let's wait for the rest. I don't know, maybe something, it's woody after that, but which wood in particular I couldn't say, but just that I like it, but I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly what's in this one. It was easier for me in the other one. I smell something, now something a bit more floral maybe. I smell a little bit less the citrus. Yeah, now I have something floral, really nice. And still I can smell this woody base, but I don't know exactly what's in it, which kind of flower. I would say jasmine, but yeah. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's read the notes, maybe it would help. Okay, so Bal d'Afrique top notes include bergamot, okay, yes. Bergamot, lemon, neroli, okay, African marigold, buchu, I don't know what it is, I'm sorry, buchu. Middle notes include violet, okay, yes, violet, jasmine, yes, and cyclamen. I couldn't say what okay, I know the flower, but I don't know what it smells like. I don't remember with the smell of cyclamen. And the base is composed of black amber, musk, vetiver, yes, and Moroccan cedarwood. Okay, cedarwood. Oh yes, it's really a nice one. I'm really eager to to wear that during the spring. Summer, I don't know if it would be nice for summer, but for sure, why I bought this one now because I got this nice discount on this fragrance. I had the 20% discount on Notino, on the French website of Notino, and yes, I think that these two would be perfect for spring. So this is why. And also, I was really frustrated to get a fake fragrance, and oh my god, but the bottle is so close to what I get. This is crazy. I think I'm gonna talk about it more in this how to avoid buying a fake fragrance video. But this is crazy because this one, the packaging was so close. I'm sure, I think they were able to get the real packaging, and because it's really hard to counterfeit. These boxes, the I don't know, the texture of the box, the police that they are using for the name of the fragrance. The stickers also were perfect. Everything was perfect, and even the bottles. The bottles, they had this magnetic cap also, and everything was so similar. So I think they were able. Okay, what's the difference for me? It was the juice, but I don't know. Maybe I just got a juice that turned. This is also possible. Maybe I didn't buy a fake fragrance. Maybe it's only the juice that was not good anymore. Maybe like the bottle, they were let in somewhere in the sun or something like that. Because the juice was a bit different for me. And now that I smell it, it's really close, but it's a bit different. So maybe, I don't know. But this one is good. Okay. So this is my unboxing of Byredo. I hope you liked it. I hope I would be better for the next ones because it's not that easy to open these boxes, especially the Byredo ones on the camera, because you know the fragrance is so tight inside the boxes, and yes, for sure it cannot move. It's not like I think there are some other bottles, like maybe the Chanel. They are not that well contained into the box, that they move inside, you know. But this Byredo, for sure, they cannot move. Once they're inside, they can't move. Voila, so I hope you liked my my unboxing video, and tell me if you tried the Byredo fragrances, which one is your favorite. I'm quite curious to know. Voila, I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye!